two alpha titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
Hi guys, what is going on? First off, I want to say Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day, actually. Yes, I'm making this video on New Year's Day. So very excited. It's a new year. I took a little break off for the holidays between Thanksgiving and Christmas and stuff. So I've made a video in about a little over a month, guys. But we got big things coming. Big things are happening this year. I do have some great news coming, but I have to wait to tell you what's going on with that because it's, you know, just wait. You guys are going to love it. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great for the channel. It's going to be great for me, for everything going on. Even for you guys, it's going to be great. But today's video, we're going to talk about the 2025 Ram 1500 and the TRX that, well, technically the TRX, but it's not actually called the TRX anymore. We're going to go over that. We're going to talk about what it's called. Talk about the Hemis going away, guys. So I got all the information, all the news on the new 2025 Rams, because the 2024 Rams still have the Hemis and the TRX. So we're going to talk about a little bit of that, and we'll talk about the new Ram coming out, guys. So stay tuned, and let's get on with the video. All right, guys, first off, if you're new to my channel, this is a 2014 Ram 1500. It has a fully built 392 with a 2.9 Whipple supercharger, and it gets to the track all the time right now. It is in street mode, but stay tuned for that, guys. We have huge things coming up for the Chuck and the channel, and everything's going great this year. Much bigger year than last year. Last year was not a great year. This year is going to be the year, and I'm going to explain to that soon. But yes, this is my Ram 2014 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive. It currently runs a 10.8 1/4 mile on a detune and only on pump gas. We're not turned up, not even close, guys, and we're going to get involved with everything else. So yes, let's talk about the Ram, the 2025 Ram 1500. All right, guys, as you know, 2024 is the last year of the Hemi. It sucks. I'm very upset about it. But, I mean, things are happening. Nothing we could do about it that 2024 is the last year of the Hemi. So, but 2025 looks to be okay. You know what I mean? There's not, just because we're not going to have a Hemi doesn't mean we're not going to have a fast Ram and a truck and no electric yet, because I'm not big on the electric stuff yet. I have driven electric not trucks. Well, yeah, I have driven the Ford Lightning. That's a quick truck, nice truck, but that ain't about this. This is about Ram, as a Ram channel. So let's get to it, guys. 2024, last year of the Ram, and they're doing a redesign in 2025. I'm going to show you some pictures. I'm going to show you some interior shots. They don't have obviously all the full everything out yet because it's not fully out yet. So, but I just got pictures, I got shots, I got information, man, and I'm excited. So, 2024, 702 horsepower Ram TRX, and we still got the 5.7 liter Hemi. Of course, that's what originally was in this truck, and it's been in the vehicles since 2003, I think. Yeah, I mean, yes, this is the Gen 3 Hemi, Gen 4 Hemi. The newer ones, the Eagle. This has got the Eagle head, basically the Eagle heads. You know, the 09 Plus has got the VVT in it. Bam, 395 horse from the factory, 410 torque from the factory, and the TRX is 702 horsepower and I think 650 torque. I think that's exact numbers if I'm not mistaken, guys. But we're going to talk about the new numbers and everything. It's 2024, nothing has changed power-wise. I don't even know if anything's really changed except for like newer models. I think they got like last call models. I don't know if they got them all for the Rams, but they do got some newer models out and stuff. So, you know, it's the last year of the Hemi. Now, my truck, I got it, like I said, a fully built BGE 6.4 liter Hemi. It's fully forged. Everything's built by BES. It's a 6.4. It's not a stroker. This is a 6.4 power plant. Basically, I can make this into a stroker into whatever, a 454, whatever. But yeah, so we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the 2025 Ram. So what do I got to say about it? I like the redesign of it, man. I think the redesign looks really good. I actually like it. The grill, a little bit big, but, you know, we get used to it, man. It looks good. The wheels look good. The truck looks good. Interior, of course, with Ram always looks amazing and on point. Now, the new Ram 1500 is going to be replaced with the Hurricane i6 engine with 420 horsepower and I think 469 foot-pounds of torque, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, that is a huge bump from the 5.7 Hemi. Huge. We had 395. Now we're at 420. So it's a 25 horsepower increase and a 59 foot-pounds of torque increase, which is great. And it's got more towing capacity too, guys. So that's one thing I do like. And I don't know if you guys know like all these V6 twin turbos to make them really fast, what do you really just need? You basically just need a tune with them. That is all. So that's one cool thing that I do think is pretty cool, because them EcoBoosts that are out, they're fast, man. You can make them very fast with basically nothing but a tune. And I think that's what's going to be able to happen with the Hurricane engine with the Rams. Yeah, it's going to be a V6. It ain't going to have that Ram run, that growl of the Ram, all the V8 power. It's not going to feel like that, but it is going to have power. So that's going to be, that's going to be the new not high output, but basically replacing the 5.7 Hemi is the inline 6 Hurricane motor. Now, we are still keeping the 3.6 Pentastar engine. That's a great starting engine, and it's actually a great engine. I can't deny that. My father-in-law's Ram has one. He said he doesn't need a Hemi. He doesn't really care for the gas. He doesn't drive that much. He still tows his boats. Tows it great, even with the 3.6 Pentastar. My wife has a 3.6 Pentastar, so you can see it right there. And her Durango, great engine. Love that engine. Both got the 8 speeds. The 8 speeds are still staying in the Rams. I don't know if they're beefing them up. I don't know if the new... One thing I wasn't too sure about. So now we're going to talk about the TRX replacement, guys. And that's why I was jumping at to replace this. The TRX replacement is... The RHO is literally replacing the TRX. It's called the Ram 1500 RHO. I'm pretty sure it's going to have the big tires. It's going to look like a TRX, but it's going to have the RHO probably badge on it, all that type of stuff. Now, that comes with a higher power increase also. That is coming with a high output inline 6 Hurricane engine with 540 horsepower. Yes, 702 to 540, that's a big decrease. The only difference I can see that may is the weight. It's probably going to drop a couple 100 pounds because of the engine. It may not. I don't know yet, but it's going to be lighter. A V6 is with twin turbo is going to be lighter than a big supercharged V8 with big supercharger on it, obviously. So don't know about the power with that. Is it going to be able? Is this my whole thing is with tuning, because I'm a racer guy, so I want to know how fast these things are going to be. Now, what my question is, if you guys know anything about these tuning things, can you tune the regular to be as fast as the high output? Is it just the exact same everything, just more power, maybe more boost? Or is it a completely different engine? You know what I mean? I don't know. Different, because here's the thing, the Demon has a different engine than the Hellcat. Everyone thought that, when the Demon first came out, everyone thought it was just a Hellcat with more boost, which no, was completely different everything. The block was stronger, supercharger was bigger, different. Everything was basically different in the Demon, and the new Demon, obviously 170, even different. So, yeah, is it going to be that, or is it just going to be turned up? Because that's the thing. Can you turn up the newer one to make even more power? I'm not saying you're going to make 1,000 horsepower with a V6 inline 6. I don't know. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a tuner. I don't know much about the V6 twin turbos. I'm a V8 guy, supercharged guy, all that kind of stuff. So that's what's going on. I don't really have any pictures of the new 8 RHO. Like I said, everything's limited right now. We're still a year out on that. So hopefully this year we get more information, like the weight of the vehicle. Maybe they'll be running the track, Baja. All the fun stuff, guys, is going to be coming. But 2024 is our last year with the V8s and the Hemis. Yeah, it's sad, but, EPA gets cracked down. Ford still got their V8s. I know Chevy's got their V8s. I mean, maybe eventually come back. Who knows? I just hope they stay away from the electric as long as possible. Nobody wants an electric car. I don't want an electric car. I think it's stupid. I think it's dumb. They charge, they burn up, whatever. I've seen so much bad things. People love them though, but it is what it is, guys. So, yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's what I got for you today. Stay tuned on the channel. 2024 is going to be a lot different, guys. We're going to have more videos. We have to get weekly videos out for a reason, and we're going to try and get weekly videos. If not more than weekly videos, would be great. So we're going to pump out more content on the channel. Like I said, last year I took a break. I didn't make as many videos. Things were down with the Ram. This year's going to change. We're going to do big things with the channel. Trying to, make more money, make more content, and have more fun. But the big news is coming. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. It's huge, guys. So stay tuned to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Peace.
Smash!